Hello everyone, it's Christmas time. Santa is coming. Santa will bring gifts. Santa loves children. But wait, it's sounding weird, isn't it? Do we have to repeat the noun Santa again and again? Can we not use another word in its place? Well, the good news is we can. And such words are called pronouns. Pronouns are words which are used in place of nouns in a sentence. By using pronouns, it is not needed to repeat that particular noun. So instead of using the naming word or noun Santa again and again, we can introduce it in the first sentence and then subsequently use another word for it. Let us see how. Santa is coming. He will bring gifts. He loves children. The words I, he, she, it, you, they, we are all pronouns. Let us understand them in detail. The pronoun I is used when a person is talking about himself or herself. For example, I am a teacher. The pronoun he is used for boys and men. For example, he likes to draw. The pronoun she is used for girls and women. Let us see the example. She is a pretty girl. The pronoun it can be used for places, animals and things. Let us see how. It is a school. It is a giraffe. It is a pencil. The pronouns he, she and it are used for singular nouns. The pronoun we is used when a person is talking about himself or herself along with others. We are friends. The pronoun they is used when we are talking about other people, animals or things. They are going to school. They are flamingos. The pronouns we and they are used for plural nouns. The pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns and is used when talking to someone in front of us. You are my friend. You are smart students. Now is the time for a short exercise. Given here are a few sentences with pictures. You have to fill correct pronouns in the given sentences. Look at the first sentence. Dash is my mother. Since we are talking about a woman here, the correct answer would be she is my mother. Now coming to the next sentence. Dash is a doctor. Looking at the picture, we can see the doctor is a man. So the correct pronoun would be he is a doctor. Next sentence. Dash are reading. Looking at the picture, we can see a group of people reading together. So the correct pronoun would be they are reading. And the last sentence is dash is an umbrella. Since umbrella is a thing, we can use it is an umbrella. So this is all in today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning pronouns with me. If you liked the video, please like and share. Consider subscribing the channel for more such videos. I will see you around very soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take good care. Next video.